Itu video.
Okey lah video. Okey, tunjuk yang apps untuk tu.
Hello, I'm Badria, the CEO of Seda Malaysia. Welcome to the second International Sustainable Energy Summit 2014. It is my sincere wish that ISES 2014 will be an integrated platform for all stakeholders, including the public, to gain or exchange new knowledge on sustainable energy for a better tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Okey, tarik. Terima kasih, Wan.